How to easily install Kodi 21 on Fire TV stick. Here's how to easily install Kodi 21 on your Fire TV stick in a few quick steps. First, from the home screen, go to Settings, then select My Fire TV. Choose Developer Options and turn on Apps from Unknown Sources and ADB debugging. Now return to the home screen and use the search icon to find and install the downloader app by AFTV News and open it once installed. In Downloader, enter the official Kodi download URL, which is kodi.tv/download, and then press Go. When the site loads, scroll down and select the Android icon. Since Fire TV runs Android, choose the 32-bit ARMv7A version, which is compatible with Fire Stick. The download will start, and once complete, you'll be prompted to install, so click Install and with a few seconds, then tap Done. You can now find Kodi 21 in your apps list, so launch it and start customizing your media experience. And that's it, Kodi 21 is now installed on your Fire TV stick. Thanks for watching.